Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda CX-9 Signature Series. There's a lot to look at and talk about. Why don't we start right away? We're going to start right away up front here. You do have the HID headlights. Those are very bright, will keep you nice and safe at night. And then you also have the chrome grille, adding a sharp feel up front. I'll look down the passenger side. You have 20-inch alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. And then we're going to take a look inside at the leather interior. Very comfortable leather interior. There's no rips, no stains or tears, burn marks, anything like that on any of these seats. You do have second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors and a camera, dual point exhaust, and the CX-9 is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.